Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to hide or show pivot table fields in Excel. So let's start this my Excel. So here you can see I have data. So here I'm going to first insert the pivot table. To insert pivot table, first select the entire data. So I use here the shortcut key Control A to select the entire data. Then go to the Insert tab. In Tables group, click on the pivot table option, then click on the From Table or Range. Here you can see the table range is automatically selected. Next, click on the new worksheet and click on OK. That's it. Your sheet is automatically added with the pivot table fields. Now you can just drag your fields and you can just here create the pivot table quickly. You just click on it, it's automatically added also. If you click on the total amount, it's automatically added in values. Okay, on price, same as in values, quantity in values is added. Okay, if you want to move, just drag with the mouse and you can move easily anywhere, any area. Okay, now I'm going to hide this pivot table fields. Just close this. It's not showing now. Okay, when you click on it on the pivot table, the fields also not showing. If you want to show again, just click on the inside the pivot table. Okay, then go to the pivot table analysis option. In show group, have a fields list option. Just click on the field list and here you can see now your pivot table fields is showing. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.